They're coming! Danger close! Yeah, yep, I got you. Danger close! Danger close! Got him. That's one of them. I got one a little bit further down.
I believe I can fly.
Oh shit! Oh, we're dead, dude. Get out of here.
When we're out here, we're getting ready to start the game. I only have a couple rules. Very simple. Get out here, line up, and shut up. You guys are talking, I will stand here and wait, just like I did right now. Got it? If I put you on a team, I expect you guys to stay on that team. Don't go swapping sides. Unless I tell you or you ask me and I tell you it's okay. Got it? Alright.
Wait, we have 5 lives?
No, we have 4 lives. 4 lives to respawn. I'm good at math.
I just won't die, and then it won't be a problem. This guy's an extremist, dude. Yeah.
Bruh.
Oh shit, did you see that guy eat shit?